Yeah, good afternoon everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the program generating the square waveform. So first we need to create a project. So go to a new project. Then we should create a project with particular name, and default extension will be taken as .uvproj. So after that we should select the microcontroller which one we are using. So it is AT89C51ED2. Then click OK. So the target will be selected. After this, so we need to create a new file and we should type a program. So already program is written. So just open that. So this is the program for square wave generation. So now we should add that one to a source group. Right click on that and add existing file and select the program. So now it is added. So after adding, this will be enabled. So we need to translate that one, build and rebuild. So if you consider this, so we know that in a square wave, so for a particular period we'll get a straight line, then we'll going to increase the value and we will get with the again with the straight line. So what we are doing here is, since we are going with the hexadecimal inputs here, so what we can do is we can go with the lowest number and the highest number. So lowest number being the 00, highest number being the FF. So what we can do is, for particular period of time 00 will be taken, then we are going to take the value to FF, and for particular duration again FF will be so taken as the reference line, then again it will drop to the 00. That's why initially we are taking a P0 value. So P0 code we are taking here, that's where we are going to check the output. So initially P0 value we are going to set it as 00, and since it should be a continuous loop, we will be using a while loop here, and we are going to use a for loop because for particular duration the value should be 00. So for that we are taking a for loop where I value will start from 0 and until the time FF. So that's what we are going to generate the pulse, the on pulse. So I plus plus will be incremented, like I will become 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that up to 255. Till that your P0 value will be 0, 0. Then again one more follow up will be there, where again the same thing, I will be equal to 0, I less than FF, I plus plus. For those particular duration, the P0 value should be FF. Then you should go to the off pulse. So like that 0, 0 and FF, it will be continuously varying. So I got to get with the square waveform. So here go to the debug. Then with the remaining programs, the previous programs what we have learned, we are going to the memory and we are checking the output. But here we need to generate a waveform here. Either what we can do is, you can use a hardware a simulator and we can connect that one to the CRO and check the output. But here it has a inbuilt waveform analyzer, so analysis window. So click on that analysis window. This is a logic analyzer. Go to setup. So here the output is displayed on the P0 port. So click here and enter the P0. Just close that one. Now if you go and run, you can see here the square waveform will be generated. This is how we can generate a square waveform. This is an interfacing experiment. So here, since the inbuilt logic analyzer is there, here only we can check the output. So this is how the square waveform would be generated. Thank you.